In order to complete the cellular respiration reading assessment, you're going to click on 1013. There's a little sprout for assessment, cellular respiration reading. So in this assessment, you can read or use natural readers online to have the article read aloud, and then you're going to respond to the questions. You may also use other resources, such as the cellular respiration notes we took, or your cellular respiration model. So the only notes you should use on this are the ones we've worked on in class, okay? If you need those other ones, they're interactive notes down here. The respiration model is there as well. However, everything you need is going to be here in the article. So you're going to fill out your name. And then this first question just asks you, do you think you're going to use this website to have things read aloud? I'll say maybe. Say whatever you prefer. Okay, actually, I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on that website so I have it there for me if I need. This is going to tell me to drag and drop your files or paste and edit the text here. So I'll show you how to do that. So here's the first reading section. Why do you need food? I can choose to read this section, or I can copy it by highlighting the text and copying it and then pasting it here. So you can choose a voice, a lot of different voice options. Doesn't matter who you choose. Speed, want it a little slower, faster. And then this will play an audio version of the reading if you want. You can use this.
The main reason you need to eat is to get energy.
Okay, you get the point, and we'll read the whole thing to you. And again, you can choose a voice and speed that resonates the most with you. This text-to-speech is an option. If you would like to just read it, you're totally welcome to. So I might just read it and say, okay, the main reason I need to eat is to get energy, right? And I'm reading this here, and then I'm answering the question. Where does my body get energy from? Okay. And I'll put whatever the answer is. I'm going to go to the next one. And here you're going to see the second section for reading. And this bold font here is the next section you're going to read. So again, you can read this, or you can copy and paste the bolded font into this website if you prefer to have things read aloud. If you're okay with reading, then you're just going to read it and respond to the questions below. Okay. Again, you're reading the bolded font and responding to the questions here. So whatever you're responding, actual responses, I'm just going to put periods here so you can go through the whole thing. So you're putting actual responses there. Here's the third section, ATP. There's a figure here, diagram. Another section to read, and a couple multiple choice questions. Okay. Those are not the right answers, but I'm just moving forward. A little bit more reading here. You respond to the question. The questions are all about the reading right above it. Again, reading, respond, respond. Okay, you're choosing an option. Reading, responding to these questions. Again, I'm just clicking through so I can show you. These are not necessarily the right responses. Okay, then when you're done with that, this is just a follow-up. So did you use this to have you read out loud? No, I didn't really end up using it. And then if you're doing this outside of class time, there's no time left in class, right? So you're all done, and make sure you do submit it when you're all done. So that is how you do that. Please let me know if you have any questions, but it's a basic read the passage and answer the questions model.